Welcome back, guys. So right now, this app would replace CapCut. Let me show you the app right here. So I want you to go to Play Store. I've not tested it on iPhone, but currently on Play Store, you can get the Kiwi, the KY Codes. It's just like a Chinese kind of app. Let me show you what the app looks like. So this is what you are trying to look for. This is the KY Codes on Play Store. Just look for it. Just search for it from your search box, and you'll see the K. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but that is what it is. It is called KY Hot Video Editor. This particular app is about to replace CapCut, and I'll tell you why I say so. So look at this app very well. Yes, as you can see, it has over 1 million downloads, but it is a Chinese app. But then you can do major things you're doing on CapCut on it. Let me show you. So I'm going to open the app right now after I've downloaded and installed it on my device. So I'm going to open the KY Cut. So this is it right here, as you could see. And I'm going to open CapCut. I have CapCut as well. So I'm going to open both apps as well. So this is KY and this is CapCut. Though I don't have a current active account on CapCut, but I could always get one. I've always been a pro subscriber. I've always been a pro subscriber to CapCut, but then I see more value in this free app called KY Cut. Yes, so I'm going to just open this up. So let me open the KY Cut. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but then yes. So I'm going to have that opened, and as you can see, there's the app right here. And here's the app. I've been doing some things. It looks exactly like CapCut, but then it is free. I've not seen any pricing model just yet. So you could start your new edits right here, and you could do other things. You could see your tax bar right here, just exactly like CapCut. But then, like I said, it has been valuable so far. So when I check the features on it, the only thing that CapCut uses um to beat this, the only thing that CapCut uses to beat this is the auto caption and some AI features. But aside from that, if you're a good editor, I think this will come in handy for you. So let me open CapCut as well. So I'm going to open CapCut as well. Though I don't have a CapCut account, but we could see, let's see what we have. So this is CapCut for you. So I'm opening CapCut. So let me put the two apps side by side. So I'm going to put it side by side. So let me split my screen, put the KY cut and CapCut side by side, so you get to see what I'm saying. So now this, you can actually use this, like I had to log in just the same way as you could see. Before you could see this interface, you have to log into CapCut. So I'm going to log in right here. I'm going to try to sign in with Google. Yes, right away. I'm going to try to sign in with Google. So let me see if my CapCut would work. So I'm going to sign in with Google right now. And let's see what we have on CapCut. So I'm going to sign in with Google. Let me see. Let me try to use a free account so we can compare both. So I'm going to try to use a free account. Okay, or let me log in with my TikTok rather. Let me log in with my TikTok. Okay, let me log in. Like you could see, CapCut is so buggy. I've been trying to log in because I tried to use that. It was unable to log in. So let me try to use one of my TikTok account to log in so that we can have the CapCut interface. So here we have CapCut. We ask you for your date of birth. You can input that if you want to. So I'm just going to input anything I want to. Then I'm going to head over to the interface. As you can see, look at the compare the interface together. Here it has a fewer interface. As you can see, we have the edits, we have the templates, we have the inbox, we have the me. But here we have the edit, we have the templates, we have material, we have messages like inbox, and we have mine. So it's just like it copies what CapCut does, but this is still free. The only thing, like I said, CapCut has over this is the AI functionalities. So let me open this KY cut. Like I said, CapCut is mostly paid for. And aside from that, CapCut has this thing where you are going to be watermarked. this KY cut does not have that. So let me just open this KY cuts right now. So let's try some edits. So I'm just going to try to take this off. So let me take off CapCut so we can focus on the KY cuts. So I'm going to open this. Yes. So let's do this. So here's the KY cut, and let's see some edits that we can do. So let me try to start an edit right here. So I'm going to start an edit right away. So I'm going to open this new edit. Yes, just like you do on CapCut. If you know how to use CapCut, you'll be able to use this app. So me trying a new edit, I'm going to see some photos. Let me just show you some things. So I'm going to take a photo of mine, and I could choose all the photos I want to use. So you could take this, you could take something like this, and you could just take a lot of things and join them together. So I could take things like this and join them together. So we have this, and I'm going to select the four that I just chose, and here we are. So as you can see, we have a timeline and everything is loaded up. So you could start checking it out and see this. So you have your video on this timeline. If you are looking for a video generator like this, a video generator was used to do this. I think you should visit store.bladcreative.com so you could get a video editor. So you could get a video generator for yourself at a very cheaper rate, unlimited video generator. So let's go to store.bladcreative.com. Here in store.bladcreative.com, you could get a whole lot of things. You could get free pick. So the video generator I used to generate the videos you seen that I wanted to use on the KY cuts is the free pick all-in-one AI creative suite, which is unlimited. It is an unlimited plan and you get it for 19.99. So you could get this Google AI Pro as well for audios and for videos. Yes, you could get that as well. But let's proceed right now. So this is not the point, so let's proceed. So I'm going to come back to the KY cuts and let's see how we can work on this particular video. As you can see, I added it on the timeline. You could add your audio if you want to. If you have any audio, as you can see, some of the wordings are in Chinese. That shows that it is a Chinese brand, as you could see from here, but that is not our focus. But then you could use all these tools freely on this app. And when you add you could add subtitle. So you could come to audio. As you could see, we have audio, we have extract video, we have recorder. You could actually record your voiceover. You could check for local music, and we have effects right here. So let's look at some of these things. So I'm going to choose audio. You could get audio or you could import from your computer. If you're a basic video editor, you would actually enjoy this. So when I click on a clip, I could add subtitle. Unlike CapCut, CapCut you can auto caption, but this does not have anything like that. It's just a basic tool. If you are good at editing, you can use this without having to pay for anything. So you can add subtitle. When I click on add subtitle, you get this kind of CapCut layer where you take your template, your subtitle template, as you could see from here. So let's say this is just the free version of CapCut, and when you use this, you get to see how better it is than CapCut, than paying over $100 for CapCut every month, or over a 149,000 naira every month. But this, you can actually use it for free and you get to export for free. So you could actually input your subtitle. You could try to change the font size. You could try to change a whole lot of things, as you could see from here. So this is subtitle test, and you could see from here you could change your font size and everything, as you could see from here. So that is this for you. You could check out this app. If you're a good video editor, you'll find it helpful and worthy to be used than you paying that amount of money on CapCut. I hope to see you in my next video. If you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do subscribe. But let's try to export this. So I'm going to try to export this. So you could enter your text right here. You could enter whatever you want your text to be. All you have to do is to click on this, and you could just input what you want your text to be when you double click. So I'm going to try to add beloved Adejigbe. So let's say that will be like my subtitle. But then yes, and you can bring it anywhere you want to bring it. You can make it smaller. You can shrink the size, as you can see from here. So I'm trying to shrink the size, and here we are. So you could go on and on to work on this manually without having to use any auto caption. So you could spread this across. You could just choose this and spread it across, then it goes beyond. So these particular videos were generated with the free pick tool that I showed you on store.blatchcreative.com. So you could go there to get yours and see how it works well for you. I hope to see you in the next lesson. But I said before I go, let me export this so you get to see the way the video looks like. It looks clean, it looks okay, no watermark whatsoever. If you are the type that don't have money to get the CapCut subscription because of watermark, this is an alternative for you. And I'm very sure if the game is played right, this would replace CapCut soon enough, as you could see from here. So I'm going to just see what I just did. So when you check this out, I'm going to click on done. And when I click on done, let me check the video out. So I have the video on my local storage already. You'll see no watermarks whatsoever, and you have most of the features you have on CapCut that you could use manually. You have it right here. So look at what we just created. No watermark. Did you see any watermark? No watermark at all. And this looks good. Looks very, very good. So if you've not subscribed to my channel just yet, do remember to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.